Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Farrell again, coming right back at you with another follow-up video of my last video. I'm showing you how to make that free crypto online, passive income, no referrals needed, autopilot money. That's how we get it in 2020 and in 2021. Now, I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I've been doing with my money and what I'm doing in my spare time and how to get that money for free online, 24/7. Autopilot money, passive income, no referrals needed. Now, know that everything you do online is a risk. These stuff could go away any moment now, but I've been consistently doing this stuff for quite a few years now, and I just want to keep showing you different ways so you can earn money online because it's so simple to do, especially right now when people are finding more ways they need to make money online because they're losing their jobs, times are tough, it's crazy out here in the 2020 COVID situation, and I'm just doing everything I can to help you guys out. Now, on my last video, I showed you how to use this website called RandomSatoshi. So you can get the free Bitcoin, free Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever you're into, you can get it for free, passive, autopilot money. You set it up, you let it run, and you get that money right directly into your account. Withdraw it whenever you like, free of charge. Now, because this site does require you to have bits in order to get the free crypto, you can get the bits for free each day just by coming into your dashboard and going in and getting the bonus money just for logging in consecutively each day. So I'll show you that real quick as a quick follow-up. Now, just like I said in my last video, you're going to want to have a FAUCETPAY account along with a crypto wallet like Exodus wallet or some good wallet like that. I showed you how to get that set up in the last video. So if you need that information again, I'll drop the link below this video on how to review the last video to show you those detailed steps on how to get the FAUCETPAY and your Exodus wallet set up. And also the beginning steps of this Random Satoshi. This is video number 2 for Random Satoshi, showing a follow-up again how to get even more bits for free. Because daily you can come in here and you can just go down and get the free bits, right? So you come down here and you scroll down to your daily bonus. Now I've already got my daily bonus for today. So normally when you come in here, you get to come in here and just by selecting this button, you get bits delivered to you for being logged in every day to the account. The first day you come in, you're going to get 50, second day 80, third day 100, and it keeps going up until your 7 days in a row, you get 250. Then when you continue to come in each day after that, you're going to get 250 every day, every day, every day. As you see, I've been here for 66 days in a row without missing a day, so I keep getting 250, 250, 250. However, there's a better way to get money, get these bits into the site a lot faster because you're going to need a lot. You're going to need, whenever you're going in to actually use these bits on Random Satoshi, you're using them to actually earn the various cryptocurrencies, whether that be Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Dash, Dodge, or whatever it is you want, right? But each one costs you about 300 bits in order to get that claim running for you automatically. And if you're only getting 250 a day, you might have to wait a few days to have that build up so you can actually get more earnings per auto cycle, right? Because what I'm telling you before is you can set this up and let it run while you're at work. You can set this up and let it run while you're sleeping. And then when you come back, you can just go ahead and see how much you've earned in that spare time, right? So I'm going to show you now how to go ahead and get the best of this money right here, right now. So if you want to get those bits faster than just a 250 a day for being logging in each day, and you don't want to recruit anybody, and you don't want to spend any money, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go over to this other website. It's called CointoPly, right? Now CointoPly, it's another free website. It shows you very different ways you can earn money online. You can do faucets. You can earn from doing offers or surveys or various things. But the things that I primarily focus on is what's going to earn me money directly, quickly, and without much work at all. Primarily, as you see that right now, I've got about almost $10 earned here. You earn coins. These coins are basically equal to US dollars. So as you're earning this money, you're actually getting earning dollars here, and you actually get paid out in USD, right? But this is, so let me show you how this actually works really quick. Jump right over here to Faucet. Now, right here is there a CointoPly faucet. You can roll this faucet once every hour, right? And get paid from these coins every single hour. So all you gotta do is come in here, you hit CAPTCHA, and then you're going to go ahead and say you're not a robot. You're gonna fill in a little CAPTCHA real quick. And then you're gonna say, yeah, I got a fire hydrant, fire hydrant, fire hydrant. Boop, boop, boop. All right, another fire hydrant. All right, boom. Verified. Okay. Now watch. I've got 93,838 coins, which is equivalent to $9.38, right? So we'll go ahead and roll this. All right, that gives you, so I won 24 coins. So over here you see, based on what you roll, you see how many coins you're going to earn. But here's the kicker about this website. The more time, you can do this every hour, right? So once you finish rolling this, the counter is going to start. It's going to give you an hour to come back and do this again. All right. And then you get more, the higher number you roll, the more coins you get. Sometimes you get bonuses if you roll certain things, so forth and so on. The cool thing about this is that if you see over here, you actually get a loyalty bonus from actually doing this consecutively days in a row, just like Random Satoshi. If you come to this site, you do this login, every day, you earn more. So on your day 2, you earn 2%. Day 3, you earn 3%. Day 4, you earn 4%. So forth and so on until each day you earn 1% more. Until at the 100 days you end, you're now at 100% bonus every day. So because I'm at 100% bonus, I've been coming in every single day doing this. You only need to roll once a day, or you can roll more if you want to, because you get paid per hour. You get paid each hour. You can do it again. But if you only come in at least once a day, you can go ahead and keep your streak going. So right now, I rolled my numbers. It gave me 24 coins, and I got a bonus 100% on the 24 coins. All right, cool. All right, but. And when I'm ready to withdraw that, I can withdraw that straight to my, I think my FAUCETPAY account or to my PayPal. Different kind of ways you can withdraw that money. But I'm gonna leave that for another day. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to get those free bits back over to Random Satoshi, like I was mentioning. So all you gotta do is really quick. You come over here to earn coins, and it's gonna show you different ways you can earn coins. Now, this is different ways that you can download an app. You can you refer people. You can complete some offers. A Disney bundle. That's amazing. I love the Disney Mandalorian. And there's other little apps you can complete, so forth and so on. What you're going to do though is the best free way to get easy passive 100% autopilot money is to come over here and click on these start watching videos, right? You click start watching videos, and you don't really have to do anything but set it up and let it run in the background, right? Just let it run, walk away. Now that's something you can do just like the Random Satoshi site. You can set this up while you go to work. You can set it up before you go to bed, come back later, and you see all your earnings, right? So let me show you how this is done. So once you click on watch videos, you're going to scroll down and then go to one of these first two. I used to use Fox, and you would actually earn for every 20 minutes of video watching, you'll be credited 102 coins. You just let it run. You ain't got to do nothing. But that one hasn't been available recently, so I switched to using the Hideout. And as you see, it's up first. This is I only got 4.5 stars. This now got 5 stars. It pays you 51 coins for every 3 ads. But again, you don't have to do anything. So all you got to do is click Hideout. It's going to go over to their website, and it's going to actually link you to their partnership website where you actually watch these videos. You gotta really watch them, let them play, honestly, and then you get paid for letting them play. All right, so give this a moment to load up. All right, yeah. All right, I'm gonna cut that off. So anyways, now they got the site load up. Now, I'm actually already logged in. It auto-logged me in because I go to the site every day, so it logged me in already. But what you'll want to do is when you come to the site, you're just going to basically sign in or create a free account using the same email address you've been using for the other websites, so that you can get that free money consistently between all the websites using that same email account. And it's going to be the same email account you've got logged into your FAUCETPAY, for your Random Satoshi, for now CointoPly, and now here at the Pandava Hideout. And simply what you're going to do is the visitor's going to play automatically for you, right? But the key here is you want to make sure that you scroll down here and look where it says rewards, right? So right here at rewards, if you tap on that, you'll see you'll actually get, it'll show you how many reward points you're getting right now. And then each day you can come in, you can actually click this little link right here to get your daily promo of more codes. So right now I got 238. I'm going to go ahead and add the daily promo. And that puts me up at 247. Cool. So all you got to do then is just let the videos play, right? Now, you can do what I did. You just turn the sound off don't want to hear it going, if you like the sound, you can, but you don't got to do the sound. You turn the sound off, and do other things on other tabs, whatever. But like I said, you can set it up for before you go to work. You can set it up before you go to bed, let it run, come back, and then you just scroll down here and you'll click on rewards, and then you'll check your rewards. You see how much rewards you got. And then the way you're going to get those rewards over to the Random Satoshi site, you just click redeem. And then once you click redeem, it's going to show you how many points you have available to redeem right now, right? And you can actually choose different websites that are partnered with this website that you can decide where you want to send your actual points to, right? So right here it says I have 247 points I can use. If you look at my history, take a quick look back and show you exactly how many points I've been earning here. So today's the 19th of December. So just the other day, I cashed out 3,750 coins to Random Satoshi, another 27,000 Random Satoshi, another 31,000 to Random Satoshi. I put some coins into CointoPly the other day, and I just keep cashing out, keep cashing out, keep cashing out. So I keep using these this free website to watch these videos for free. I'm not really watching them; they're just playing in the background, and then I take those points that I earn and I send them over to the actual website that I want to use those points with. In this case, it's going to be Random Satoshi, right? So let's go back and show you how we get that done. All right, so then all you got to do is you'll link your accounts here. You'll click link new account. You can see the different programs you can link up with right here. But I'm going to go ahead and start the redeem process right quick. Actually, before we do that, let's go back to Random Satoshi just so you can see exactly how many points I have how many bits I have right now, and how many I'm going to receive. So right now I got 7,870, right? We'll go ahead and refresh just to make sure that number is up to date. And let it circle, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, 7,870, right? All right, so let's go ahead and cash out and see how much this 247 points gives us. Because it's not point per point value. These points actually can give you different amounts based on which other program you want to pay out to, right? So let's go ahead and let's start the redeem process. Now, from here, you get to select where you want your points to go out to, all right? Now, it tells you, please note, this conversion may vary from partner to partner, as I just explained to you, and it can take some time for them to get actually added to the particular reward site that you choose. But when I do to CointoPly or Random Satoshi, they're usually like almost instantly, right? You can go to CointoPly, Activity Paycheck, CoinSpiller, Random Satoshi, TimeBucks, or Earnably. So this example, like I said, we're going to do Random Satoshi. It'll tell you that 243 points here is actually available. Then I'm going to actually get 18,832 bits for Random Satoshi, right? So here we go again. I showed you I've got 7,870. This tells me it's going to give me 18,000 more. If I decided that I want to just get it to CointoPly, I showed you that a few moments ago, that'll give me 1,377 coins added to my CointoPly account. And I would go up here, CointoPly, I would get 1,000 another coins added here, which is equivalent to what? So that's what, 17 cents it would give me there, added to that total, just from watching free videos. But right now we're going to do Random Satoshi. So boom, and I'm going to say I want my 18,832 redeem balance. Please wait while I credit you. Boom, earnings done. Your earnings have been sent to your lower rewards partner. I always recommend you log into your account, double check your balance. Not seeing it, give it a few minutes. It could take up to 24 hours. No big deal. All right, cool. Now let's go ahead and jump back over to Random Satoshi. Let's refresh. Let's see how quickly we can get this into the account. Refresh. Update. Boom, there it is. See, less than a minute. Less than a minute, I got delivered all of those bits now. So now that I have even more bits, I can just scroll down here and follow the same steps I showed you before. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. You're now going to take all those 26,000 bits that you've earned right here, and you're going to set up your claim queues. And you're going to decide what coins you want to claim. Let's go ahead and get some more. I don't want Monero. Let's get some Bitcoin. And I'll scroll down here. And now for each time I claim Bitcoin, it's going to cost me 315 bits. That's okay. I got 27,000 now. Got a good big amount that I can run automatically on autopilot while I take care of the family or whatever else I care to do. I'm gonna get some ETH. Scroll down, grab that. I've got one queued up for ETH right now, so I'll go ahead and get some more ETH. It's Ethereum for those you don't know. All right, we'll claim those. And then we'll jump up here. We'll grab some more Litecoin. These are my three favorites. You can decide whichever ones you want. Any of these are available. Each one's going to cost you, there could be a different amounts of bits for each one. So you just decide which ones works best for you. You claim those, you get the queues running, and then you just scroll back up and you're going to click on Open Claim tab. And with that, you'll see that it starts to auto faucet automatically. So you're automatically going to be earning these the cryptocurrency coins based on which one you selected, and then you can see how many queues you have, how many runs you have queued up to run automatically. So while you're at work, while you're with the family, while you're with friends, while you're sleeping, while you're watching Mandalorian, whatever it is, it's all good. So there it is. That's how you get that free money. That's how you get the bits multiplied, doubled, tripled, quadrupled really quickly on autopilot. So this one's running automatically now. I'll go back over to the Panda website, and then I just go back. And we're going to go back again. Blah, 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 blah. There's my last payout on the 19th. Probably could have been easier just to go back to the main link, but you know what? I'm going to just see that so that the links are, the sites are very strong. It loads up really quickly. And you don't have to watch these videos, like I said, but you do want them to run in the background. So you want the tab open. So you can have this tab open and Random Satoshi open at the same time. I recommend having this one open up front, Random Satoshi in the background, which means this one will be visible. And the other one just be, in the background, non-visible. And then just turn off the sound, either right here or on your own personal laptop, and just let it run. Let's get some of that cool music again. Oh yeah. Anyways, that's Brian. So I've showed you how to get that free money. Yeah, passive money, we love it, baby. Oh yeah. All right, so you've now seen how to make that free money online once again. And like I said, this is Brian signing out. I'm just going to show you once again every day. When you watch my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I'm online showing you fresh new videos how to make that free money online. You don't need no referrals. You don't need to spend any money. If you do want to go those routes and get some referrals, great. If you do want to spend some money, cool, but you ain't got to. It's all about passive 100% autopilot free income. All right, it's Brian Farrell signing out. Peace.